Welcome to Sparklebox! Do you have tea light candles at home? They look simple. Let us add a beautiful holder to it and make it look elegant. Come on, let's quickly have a look how to make a tea light candle holder. If you are visiting our channel for the first time, please do subscribe and click on the bell icon to get instant notifications on our new videos. And the material required is origami sheet. Now let's take an origami sheet and fold it to the middle from both the sides so that you can see a plus symbol when you open the sheet. Now we have 4 corners to the origami sheet. Let's fold them to the center. Sharpen the edges of the sheet as shown. Candle holder is ready. You can share your work with us in our Instagram page. And don't forget to like and share this video with your friends.